we'll be installing a Chrysler 300 steering wheel on a Dodge Magnum. Tools of the trade today is a 10mm socket, 10mm hex bit socket, a ratchet, short extension, and a universal joint. First and most important step is to locate the battery in the trunk and disconnect the battery with a 10mm socket. Now we're going to wait about 30 minutes to ensure that system is discharged fully. We want to ensure that there's no electrical signals telling the airbag to explode. Next, we're going to identify the two 10mm bolts behind the steering wheel. We're going to remove the two 10mm bolts, disconnect and remove the airbag, remove the 10mm hex bolt in the center, remove the steering wheel, install the new steering wheel. Now, optional, you could put some thread locker on there. Then we're going to reconnect the airbag and install it. After that, should be good to go, and we will be reconnecting the battery. And that's that. Now, this installation should work for most LX platforms. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the ding link for notifications, and I'll catch you guys later.